Hello friends, welcome to Poongodi's channel. Today I will teach you a simple and beautiful stitch, lacy daisy stitch. I have done the leaves and the flowers with lacy daisy stitch. First we will trace out the design, put the carbon beneath the pattern paper and put 2 pins holding the paper, carbon and the fabric, all the 3 together. And now trace out the design. I have traced it fully and remove the pin now. You can fix the fabric in the frame and tighten the fabric. At first I am going to put the stem stitch for all these circles. I have already taught you the stem stitch. If you have missed that video, please go to the link in the description box. Now I have finished the stem stitch, and for the leaves I am going to use a different green color. Put a knot like this, and this stitch is called lacy daisy stitch. This is the same thing as the chain stitch, but we are putting the chain stitch continuously. Here we will put single chain individually. First bring the needle at the point, then put one stitch like this, bring the thread below the needle and pull over the thread and finish it outside the chain. See here, once again put a stitch in equal distance, bring the thread below the needle and pull over. You should go back outside the chain. See, once again, always Be careful that the space in between the stitches should be equal and the size of the stitch should also be equal. Pull the needle outside the chain. This is called lazy daisy stitch, where we put the chains individually for flowers and leaves. While you go for the other side of the leaf, put the leaves straight to the previous one. I have finished one side, all the 6 leaves. Go through the fabric outside the chain, and coming to the flower, I am going to put a stem stitch for this moon shaped design. This is a half flower, and you can choose your own colors for this flower. Again I am going to put lazy daisy stitch for this half flower with blue color thread. Now coming to the next flower, this is a full flower with 6 petals. Here too I am going to put the lacy daisy stitch with red color thread. Put a chain, pull the thread below the needle and then go outside the chain through the fabric to the next stitch. So here we will get 6 individual chains forming a flower. Each chain will stand for each petal. Always bring the thread below the needle and pull over the thread and finish it outside the chain. I hope you understood this lacy daisy stitch, and for all my previous videos you can click on the links given in the description box. See, I have finished this flower and in the center we will put a French knot in blue color. Bring the thread from the bottom and twist the thread twice in the needle. Hold with your left hand and insert the needle and pull over the thread below. You will get a knot like this, and this knot is called as French knot. Now we have finished the whole design using lacy daisy stitch. If you have any doubts, please comment, and if you like this video, share with your friends. For more stitches, like and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.